Hello everyone, and thank you for joining our project presentation. My name is Muhammad Alif Abrar, and together with me, my partner, Yusuf Herlian Anantaril. We are excited to walk you through our web application, a traveling salesman problem solver built on Kruskal minimum spanning tree algorithm and the double tree heuristic. This project was developed for our Operation Research course at Universitas Lampung.
Okay, here's what we'll cover today. We'll start with mathematical formulation behind the traveling sales problem or TSP, then move into the theoretical foundation of Kruskal's algorithm and the double tree approximation heuristics. From there, we'll walk through our system architecture, demonstrate our web implementation focused on Lampung province, and close with a tour of our code structure.
The Traveling Salesman Problem, or TSP, is one of the most well-known problems in operation research and computer science. The premise is simple. Given a set of cities and the distance between them, a salesman needs to find the shortest possible routes that visits every city exactly once and returns to the starting point. But despite that simple description, TSP is NP-hard. As the number of locations grows, finding the absolute optimal routes become computationally expensive, even impossible to brute force within a reasonable time. That is exactly why approximation algorithms and heuristics, like the double tree heuristic we're presenting today, matter so much for solving real-world routing and logistic problems efficiently.
Okay, so the first building block of our heuristic is the minimum spanning tree, or MST. Is that a subgraph that connect every node together using a minimum possible total edge width with no cycles allowed. And then we constructed using Kruskal's algorithm, which works greedily. So first we sort every possible edge by distance in a scanning order, and then we add edges one at a time, always picking the shortest one available. To make sure we never form a cycle, we track connectivity with a disjoint set or union find and data structure. Even edge would connect two nodes that are already in the same component. We simplify discarded. We repeat this process until the tree contains exactly n-1 edge, where n is total number of nodes.
Once the MST is built, we double every edge. This turns it into a multigraph where every vertex has an even degree. By a classic result, in graph theory, any connected graph in which all vertices have even degree is guaranteed to be Eulerian, meaning it contains a closed trail that traverses every edge exactly once. We find that trail using Heuer-Holzer algorithm, which gives us our Eulerian tour. This tour is the starting point for building our final TSP route. But because it travels along the double edge of the MST, it passes through several vertices more than once. That directly violates the TSP requirement of visiting each city exactly once, which is where our next steps come in.
Okay, to resolve the repeated vertex problem, we apply the technique called shortcutting. Starting from our designated start nodes, we traverse the Eulerian tour in order. Whenever we reach a node we've already visited, we skip it and connect directly to the next node that hasn't been visited yet. This worked because of the triangle inequality, which tells us that direct path between 2 points is never longer than a path that detours through a third point. Because of that guarantee, shortcutting always produces a final Hamiltonian cycle that is at most twice the length of true optimal TSP road, which is exactly why double tree heuristic is classified as two approximation algorithm.
On the implementation side, our priority was delivering a clean, premium user experience. We designed what we call a clean cartography like TEM, a modern floating control panel, smooth transition, and clear focus highlight that makes the interface feel responsive and intentional. The entire front end is built in pure vanilla HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, no frameworks. We integrated Leaflet.js with standard OpenStreetMap tiles, which give us real-world detail like road names, building, shops, and point of interest. We also localize the application around Lampung province, so the routes we calculate simulate a realistic local delivery scenario. Here's our main interface. On the left, you can see the live map centered on Bandar Lampung, and on the right, our floating control panel. Every icon you see is a custom SVG vector. We deliberately avoided emojis to keep the interface feeling clean and professional. The sidebar tracks three things in real time: the number of points we place, the total route distance once it's calculated, and a running list of every coordinate we add.
Adding a location is as simple as double-clicking anywhere on the map. Watch. The coordinates are captured instantly, and the place name field is automatically focused, so I can just start typing. I'll name this one Mall Kartini, and press enter. No extra clicks needed. Let's add one more. Stasiun Tanjung Karang. Notice how the map smoothly recenters and adjusts its zooms to keep every point comfortably in view as we add them.
Now, let's see the algorithm in action. I will click Generate Random Points to drop several points around Bandar Lampung and Lampung Selatan. With that done, I will click Calculate TSP route. You can see two distinct layers appears. The dashed slate gray line in our minimum spanning tree. In the thick animated cobalt blue line is the final optimized TSP route. If I expand Show Process Details, we get a full breakdown, which each crucial algorithm accepted or skipped, the Eulerian tour sequence, and finally the shortcuts Hamiltonian cycle. And if I click any point in the list, the map pans straight to it and opens a pop-up at a close zoom level. So we see real building level detail underneath.
Code walkthrough. This file handles real-world distance calculation. Since latitude and longitude are angular coordinates on sphere, we can't just use straight line Euclidean distance. We need the Haversine formula, which accounts for the Earth's curvature and convert coordinate pairs into accurate distance in kilometers. This makes very edge weight in our graphs represent a genuine real-world distance, not an approximation. Then dua. Here's where the MST is actually built. At the top, you'll see our union find implementation. The find function locates the root of the node set using path compression, and union function merge two sets together. Below that, we sort every edge by weight and iterate through them one by one, adding an edge to the MST only if its two endpoints belong different sets. That's our cycle checks in action. Okay, finally, this module ties everything together. First, you'll see our Haier-Holzer algorithm implementation, which builds our Eulerian tour by walking the double MST and backtracking through unused edges until every edge has been consumed. Right below it is our shortcutting traversal. It walks the Eulerian tour, keeps track our which nodes have been already visited, then skips straight to the next new node whenever it encounters a repeated. The result is final Hamiltonian cycle that gets drawn on the map.
To wrap up, we've built a fully functional, highly interactive, and visually polished TSP solver grounded in operation research heuristic. By combining Kruskal MST, Haier-Holzer Eulerian tour, and Hamilton shortcutting, we end up with a robust two approximation solution that also genuinely practical for simulating real-world logistics.
Thank you very much for your time and attention. We hope this visualization helps make optimization in graph theory a little more intuitive and a little more visual. We're happy to take any question or feedbacks. Thank you.